Welcome to our Photoshop tutorial basics 2016. Ways you can crop and cut out an image in Photoshop CC. After a product shoot, sometimes it is necessary to remove the background of a product. Generally, such photoshoot is carried on the dark, white or gray background. Moreover, some lighting supporting equipment are used which are also removed from the image during editing. For completing such work in Adobe Photoshop, the best technique is pen tool based clipping path. Here in this tutorial, clipping path with pen tool is already applied to the sample shoe image. You can see this in path 1 in Adobe Photoshop path palette. If you zoom in the image, you can see an accurately created path on the zigzag area of the shoe. You can also use quick selection tool or magic wand tool for path creation, but they won't give you the same perfect result. You can try this using the quick selection tool or magic wand tool. In this case, I am using quick selection tool to select this shoe properly. But after trying so hard, it is not possible to perfectly select the whole image point to point, means every edge that needs to be selected, which is not possible by this method because there are some zigzag area that are causing some problems for selecting through quick selection tool. The quick selection tool is for normal use. You can deselect or select extra area using the upper hand selection tool bar. So as we try this, but it is not possible for me to select the whole thing properly. Sometimes the shadow is not selecting properly or it's actually taking the whole shadow as selection. So it will create some distraction for you and it will not give you the perfect result to get the whole image out of the selection. Sometimes we need to add additional selection using the selection tool sections. You can inverse the image, you can add using the plus section, but all of this work is not working perfectly for selecting the shoe image, so you can crop that image out from the background. So for this, it's actually best for you to use clipping path tool for selecting the whole image and with perfect selection. We can also create part 2 in the same pen tool based clipping path technique. If we want to see the edge more clearly, we can zoom in the image 300%. For avoiding the overlapping of the main image with its background, we will create path 1 pixel inside of the product. For checking clipping path area is perfectly selected or not, we can use mask tool by pressing Q on the keyboard. As the world's biggest e-commerce sites like Amazon, eBay have a recommended image size 1500 pixel wide, 1500 pixel height. We will show you the image resizing procedure in our next steps. At first, we will have to cut out the shoe image by smoothing the edge. For this, we will give numeric 5 number to feather by pressing Shift F6. A transparent background can be seen at this step. To view the image size, go to Image, Image Size. By default, width and height of the image file are displayed in inches. You can see the pixel value by selecting Pixels from the options. We can set these values from 1000 to 1500 pixels according to the requirements of e-commerce site. The resolution of the image is 72 generally. So for resizing, we will crop this image by using crop tool, but before cropping we will trim the photo to remove the additional part, border or blank space of photo. For this, go to Image, Trim. A pop-up box will be appeared and click OK. The pixel is 0 now. You can give border according to our wish. Now only the product remains, and we will select and then deselect the photo by pressing Ctrl D. Now we will go to Image, Image Size to see the size of the image after trimming. We will fix the width according to our requirement and height will be adjusted too. After that, we will give a border around the image, as the image has not enough space for flesh cut in the top and bottom. We will do it on the right and left side. For doing this, we can use different selection tool and fix the pixel value of width and height. After that, we can apply fill color in the border area. Shortcut or backspace. Color can be chosen from foreground color option of Photoshop. Now we have pressed Ctrl T to transform the shoe within the border area. You can use mouse to do it, or by changing the width and height percentage. To see the image in white background, we will press Ctrl K. A preference box will be appeared. Go to Transparent and Gamut, then go to Transparent Settings, click Grid, select None. Now the shoe can be seen with white background. We can review our previous steps by Ctrl Alt Z. We can also use crop tool. In this case, we have to set the width and height of image and set the image in the center position. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe our channel and get regular update on various Photoshop tutorial.